The regions around Ohio's 9 largest cities have been declared high-intensity drug trafficking areas. Ohio's position midway between Chicago and New York and its ample supply of international airports and interstates all set the stage for heavy transport and use of drugs. Powder cocaine and crack are the greatest threats to Ohio residents. Crack cocaine wreaks broader damage as it is the greatest contributor to property theft and the commission of violent crime. Just as a measure of availability, more than 2,000 pounds of cocaine and 20,000 pounds of marijuana were seized in 2006. As in most states, more citizens abuse marijuana than any other drug. It accounted for nearly 19,000 admissions to treatment for addiction in 2006. Distribution and abuse of heroin is on the increase in Ohio. The number of people receiving treatment for heroin addiction at publicly funded facilities has nearly tripled in the last 10 years. Most new users are young Caucasian adults. Most were previous prescription drug abusers. OxyContin abuse, in particular, tends to lead to heroin use as the effects of the drugs are similar, and heroin is generally cheaper and more available. In general, drug abuse in Ohio not only results in ruined lives that need addiction treatment to recover, it also results in lives harmed by assault, robbery, burglary, or the homicide of a loved one. The right time to get help for those abusing or addicted to drugs or alcohol is right now. The next time the addicted person uses meth, heroin, cocaine, alcohol, or any other drug could bring disaster or incarceration. When looking for an effective drug rehab program, determine if the program in question has a treatment system that effectively eliminates the 3 basic barriers to a successful recovery. They are the cravings, guilt, and depression suffered by every addicted person. When an addict can leave guilt, cravings, and depression behind, then they can build the skills to make drug-free choices. And when real recovery is attainable, Ohio builds a better state for all its citizens. So get help now. For NNTV Drug Rehab News, this is Tim Gozanski.